Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the all-new 2025 SRM Shineray M7, a mid-size MPV from China that's getting a lot of attention for its stylish design and affordable price. In this video, we'll go over both the exterior and interior in detail, covering all the key features, design elements, and what makes this vehicle a potential game-changer in the MPV segment. Let's start with the exterior. The front of the Shineray M7 is quite bold for a budget MPV. It features a large gloss black front grille with chrome accents that give it a premium feel. The headlights are sleek and sharp, equipped with LED daytime running lights that add to the modern look. The sculpted lines on the hood flow seamlessly into the fenders, giving it a clean and aerodynamic appearance. From the side, the M7 has a strong and practical silhouette. The body is long and wide, optimized for maximum interior space. Chrome accents around the windows add a touch of elegance, while the side mirrors come with integrated turn signals for better visibility. The alloy wheels look sporty and help enhance the vehicle's presence on the road. Ground clearance is decent, making it suitable for both city streets and light off-road conditions. At the rear, the design is clean and functional. The wraparound tail lights are connected with a light bar, giving it a unified rear-end look. The rear hatch is wide for easier cargo loading, and you also get a rear spoiler with an integrated brake light. Everything about the back of this car is designed to be practical while still looking sharp. Now let's move to the interior, which might just be the most impressive part of the M7. Step inside and you're greeted with a surprisingly modern dashboard layout. There's a large central touchscreen for infotainment, which supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and media controls. Below the screen, you'll find easy-to-use physical buttons for climate control and essential functions, which is a great blend of tech and simplicity. The steering wheel is multifunctional and feels comfortable to grip. It includes buttons for audio control, Bluetooth phone functions, and cruise control depending on the trim level. Front seats are spacious and well-cushioned, providing a comfortable ride for both the driver and front passenger. The fabric or leatherette materials vary by trim level, but the build quality is solid across the range. There's a good amount of storage up front, including cup holders, door pockets, and a center console. In the second row, you get a bench seat that can slide and recline. It's wide enough for 3 adults and provides ample legroom and headroom. There are rear AC vents and USB charging ports available, which are especially useful for long trips. The seatback also folds forward to allow access to the third row. Speaking of the third row, it's more compact but still functional. It's suitable for kids or smaller adults on short journeys. When not in use, the third row seats can fold down flat to expand the cargo area. This kind of flexible seating layout makes the M7 ideal for family use or transporting larger items when needed. With the third row folded, cargo space is quite generous. The flat loading floor and wide tailgate opening make it easy to load luggage, groceries, or even small furniture. There's also some underfloor storage for tools or emergency kits, which adds to the practicality of the vehicle. Under the hood, the 2025 Shineray M7 is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. It's designed more for efficiency than performance, but delivers enough power for everyday city and highway driving. Transmission options include both manual and automatic, depending on the market. The ride is smooth and composed, ideal for daily commutes and family trips. Overall, the 2025 SRM Shineray M7 offers a lot for its price. With its modern design, spacious interior, and practical features, it's a strong contender in the MPV category, especially for families or businesses looking for value and utility. Thanks for watching this visual review of the 2025 Shineray M7.